Anything media.
Done anything significant. The other covenant woman was there. And they built the radio stations. They got the TV stations. They bought the church land. And they said we are going to even to begin to build. But the day she departed, people are still in the dust. They even don't have any shelter. Even if you're a thief, put an iron sheet up so that you can suck money out of your congregation. When Jezebel sat on the seat,
he who conceals his sin.
You no longer have the glory of God, neither the favor of God upon your life. The world is despising and scorning you. Yet for you to take the person, you promise them heaven and earth. Pastor's wife is dirty, she doesn't know how to make up, but for me, I'm a small slender model, I'm mighty here.
Small slender one.
Anything media.